The project I've been involved in is creating online exercise books, and the whole point of creating those books is for students to be able to record their progress all in one place. The online exercise book basically allows the student to put links into their work, reflect on their own work through their dirt time in terms of where they are and where they need to go next.
It's really convenient and very accessible, so while we're at home and trying to complete homework, we've got it there. If we've got a login on the computer, it's there all for us.
Students seem to be glued outside of school on their mobile devices. The great thing with this is they can bring their work up on their phone, bring it up on their iPad, whatever, and they can send me emails from at home straight away, and there's that constant communication. The technology we've gone for is creating these online exercise books through Google. The whole point about using the Google Suite is it supports learning, it supports e-learning. It doesn't matter what the technology is, it's always supported, and it records minute by minute what the student does, which is really powerful, and the work can never be lost because it's continually being backed up online. It's not all about feeding back to students, but it's actually feeding forward, because during the lessons you can actually sit at the front of the room while students are working, access their work and provide them with live feedback, which is obviously really important. Because like I say to students, if it was a football match, you don't feed back at the end, you'd feed back at half-time and during the game, and that's the whole point that I want for them through their learning, is they're constantly getting feedback, they're feeding forward, and it's all about where do they want to go next with their learning.
I think Mr. Spate's done really well with the books. He's been by our side since we got them, and he's showed us how to use them properly, and therefore I feel like I'm improving so much more in the subject.
When I heard our innovation was being recognised, quite rightly I was over the moon. I was really pleased with that, because again it was good to go back to the students and saying, look, the journey you've come on with me is being recognised, we are getting recognised for this, and that's part of that journey is down to you, so thank you.